Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this Glam Smokey eye using the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. First up, I'm just going to be prepping my eyes using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just setting that down with a bone coloured eyeshadow. Next up, I'm going to be going into the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette, and I'm just going to be taking that lightest brown matte shade and blending that into my crease. This will be my transition colour. So now I'm just going to be taking that metallic brown shade and just placing that on my eyelid using my finger. Using your finger will really make these shadows pop. You can also use a dampened brush, but I just find that when you use your finger, it really makes the shadows pop and look brighter on the eyes. So I'm just going in with my pinky and just blending that across my eyelid, and then I end up taking a concealer brush and just neatening up the edges with that. So to give the eyes some more definition, I'm just going to be going in with that darker brown matte shade, and I'm just going to be packing that onto the outer third of my eye and just blending backwards and forwards until it looks really nice and neatly blended. And to do this, I'm just going in with my MAC 217 blending brush. So to deepen the outer corner even further, I'm just going to be going in with that darker brown matte shade, and again just packing that onto the outer third of my eye, and again just blending really well. So this eyeshadow technique and placement, where we're using lighter colours towards the inner corner and then slowly blending towards the darker colours at the outer corner, will really help to open your eyes up and create a wider set eye look. It's a really flattering technique on most eye shapes, but especially if you do have eyes that are closer together, then this sort of technique and placement will look really flattering and pretty on you. So next I'm just going to be lining my eyes with the Tarte Tartiest Clay Paint Liner, and I'm just going in with an angled eyeliner brush. I'm not using the one that came with the eyeliner set. I'm actually going in with an angled liner brush from Napoleon, and I'm just going to be lining across the top of my eyelids and just creating a very, very slight wing. I then went on to pop on some false lashes off camera just to give the look some more drama. So I'm just going to be priming my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash Primer, and I'm just going to be blending that onto my skin using my fingers. This just gives your skin a nice, beautiful, dewy, healthy glow. For foundation, I'm just going in with the YSL All Hours Foundation in the shade BD50, which is Warm Honey. And I'm just going to be buffing that in with the Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm absolutely in love with this foundation. I saw Tarte talking about it on her channel, and I went and bought it, and I'm absolutely in love. I can see why she loves it. It's super long wearing on your skin. It just makes your skin look flawless. It gives such a full coverage, but yet still looks natural and really long wearing. It also includes an SPF of 20, so it's going to protect your skin from the sun. I'm just obsessed with this foundation at the moment. For concealer, I'm just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. This is probably a little bit light for my fake tan at the moment, but I just blended it in and I ended up contouring my face later, so you'll see it all eventually blends together. Just blending that under my eye and then using the excess product down the center of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And then I just go in and set that concealer with my Ambient Lighting Palette from Hourglass in the shade Diffused Light. To contour and bronze up my face, I'm just going to be going in with the Shape and Shade Custom Contour Duo from Stila in the shade Medium. And I'm just going to be contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and my jawline. To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown Skin Weightless Powder Foundation in the shade 3.5 Warm Beige, and I'm just going to be setting my face with this powder. To finish off the eyes, I'm just going to be going back in with those same 3 brown matte shades from the Huda Smoky Obsessions palette, and I'm just going to be blending those 3 shades under my lower lash line. And then I just went in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and placed that on my bottom lashes to balance out the eyes. For blush, I'm going in with the shade Surreal Halo from the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette Volume 3. And I'm just popping that over the top of my cheekbones. I love this colour. It just gives a really soft, luminous glow and just a subtle pink hue. To highlight my face, I'm going in with the shade #Blessed from Too Faced, and I'm just going to be highlighting the tops of my cheekbones, down the center of my nose, and my Cupid's bow and chin. Lining my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Dolce K, and then going in with the Maybelline by Gigi Hadid lipstick in the shade Taura. Then I just used the Dolce K lip liner over the top to create a deeper nude. So this is the finished makeup look. If you like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and leave some comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.